Hi, in this video I'll help you to use all types of extrude in Blender. To explain types of extrude I'm going to use UV sphere. So select the original cube then press delete to remove it. From add menu select mesh then UV sphere. From the object interaction mode, change the mode to edit mode. Select face selection mode. Next select a polygon, right-click and go to extrude faces. I can extrude the selected polygon. Or I choose it and press the E key for the extrude shortcut. Or I select the polygon and press Shift and the spacebar. A special menu for modeling tools opens up. I scroll down to Extrude Region. There I see an icon. A yellow sign with a plus symbol. And when I pull on it, I can extrude the polygon. You can select a polygon and click on the side extrude icon, and it will give the same result. But when I press and hold the extrude tool, I see that 5 different extrude tools are available. The first one is the one that was explained. The 2 tools extrude along normals and extrude individual. I can demonstrate this briefly. For example, if I select 3 polygons and choose extrude along normals, I can pull out 3 polygons simultaneously and they are then fused together. If I do the same again and switch to extrude individual, and the 3 polygons are not welded together. In Blender, there's an additional tool called Extrude Manifold. To explain it I'll use a cube. So go to Object Mode, select the UV sphere then press delete. From Add menu select Mesh then Cube. Change the mode to Edit mode. Right-click on the cube then select Subdivide. Select Face Selection mode. Normal extruding works by selecting the face, pulling on the face, thereby creating a new edge. Sometimes we need to remove these edges because they give bad distortion in my model. And to avoid these edges we use Extrude Manifold. When I select a polygon and activate the Extrude Manifold by pulling the face we got that no edges and no distortion. In Blender, there is a 5th extrude tool, which is quickly explained. I go to this polygon. Switch to the side view to better see it. I call up the extrude cursor command. Then as soon as I click with the left mouse button, the activated polygon is extruded to the spot where I click with my mouse. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and click the bell icon. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos.